Hey guys, Chris back here with another video, and boy is this one a doozy. A couple days ago I got a package in the mail because I ordered a 3D printer. This is the Creality CR-10 V2, and I just thought I might do a little unboxing for you guys, so let's just jump right into it. Alrighty, so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to see if I can do this without getting my face in. Also without damaging anything inside. Whew! This is exciting. So excited. Alrighty. There it is. Let's see if I can zoom this out a little bit. Don't mind my messy bed covers or laundry basket. Let's get those out of the way. Alright. Let's just get into it, huh? This is pretty big. I didn't anticipate that that would be so large. Let's see if I can get some more light in here. Alright, so that's my user manual, I guess. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oops, that is not the wrong dial. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like. That is amazing. Alright. So before I disappear and start assembling, here's some of the stuff that it came with. Thought I'd share that in case anybody's interested. Alright, now I'm going to get to reading the instruction manual and assembling. And when that's done, I'll show it for you guys to see. So first update on the building process. Taking it slow, don't want to break anything, right? I have the gantry installed now, and it's looking so good. I mean, assembly seems pretty easy. It's like like 10 steps, but I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm very excited. And speaking of messing anything up, I might have already done something. I saw this part kind of lying around, and oh god, why won't it focus? Come on, hand, look at my hand. Alright, well, I'll just move it further away and zoom in. Nope, that doesn't work. That's not bad. Okay, so I found this part lying around, and it focuses out. Oh, there it is. Alright, perfect. I found this part lying around. Oh my god, I hate my life. Let's move somewhere else. So, I found this part lying around, and I'm not sure what it is or what it does. It looks like it's just a bracket holding wires together, but it was just lying on the floor. So, let's hope that's all it is, because I'm going to keep on assembling. I'm going to try and figure out where this came from. But, yeah. Aside from that, everything's going very smoothly. So, and my assumption is that this is fine. So, I want to show off this really cool thing that Creality does with so they came up with a really clever way of attaching this this piece right here to the gantry. And as you might notice, I'm sorry, I keep putting it down and picking it back up, but as you might notice, there are these like tabs over here, and these essentially fit into the sleeve of this slot right here in the gantry. And so, as you can see, when I first attach it, there's no connection, right? It's very loose. But if I begin tightening these, let's see if I can get the driver here. So if I start tightening these, you'll notice that the connection is very firm. I think that's just so cool. But that's really clever, so thought I'd pause to show that off. Anyway, back to building. Alright, step 2, the pull rod installation is now complete, and I've moved it into better lighting for dramatic effect. It's starting to look pretty good now. I'm very excited. So, without further ado, let's move on. Okay, so some more progress. I've added the spool onto the control module. That is considered step 3. It was pretty simple. And then I was starting to put the Z-axis limit switch in when I noticed these little plastic tabs sitting in a bag. And these are identical to these ones, which were originally there, in all but one way. They have a hole in the middle. Now, it wasn't listed in the part list required for in the instruction manual. So they have like this list of parts required at each step. And so I didn't look for it. But once I saw it, I'm like, you know what that looks like? So, I don't know, maybe I'm just an idiot, but that's there now. And I added, I don't know if you can see it there, but the Z-axis limit switch, which is this. It's not actually this black thing, that's the bracket that it attaches to. It's behind it. Let's see if I can, it's this thing right here. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at using a camera. Anyway, that's where I am so far. On to step 5. I think I'm mostly done with assembling, and now it's just attaching cables and hopefully starting it up. All right. Oh my god. All right, so I wired it all up. Hopefully it's good. I figured out how to raise this thing. Turns out, as usual, I'm an idiot. I tried just turning one of the what is it? These worm gears, and wouldn't move. Then I noticed there are 2 worm gears. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. That's probably for extra stability. And I moved on. I was just like, I guess I can't move it. I don't know why it didn't occur to me that I have to turn both worm gears, because, as everyone knows, a spur gear can't drive a worm gear. No. A worm gear can't drive a spur gear. So, is that way? I don't know. Anyway, I'm an idiot. I still don't even know what's going on. But at least I should have realized that I need to turn both of them. So, yeah. I did that. One of the leveling wheels down here, the one in the back, you can't really see it. But yeah, that one fell off. But it is no longer fallen off. This one needs to be tightened a little bit. This one's fine. Alright, yeah, so that is good. And yeah, I've kind of checked all the cables, made sure that none of them are, you know, just kind of wandering around. So I think it's safe to say that this part I saw lying around is not, in fact, important. Cable management seems to be pretty fine. Yeah, so the next thing to do is to turn it on and start leveling. And I am so excited. First time turning it on. Had to share it with you guys, you know? So, moment of truth. Let's see if this $500 bad boy works. Because if it does not, that's gonna hurt. Uh-oh. Oh, before I do anything, I should make sure that this light switch isn't affected, or this socket isn't affected by my light switch. Let's see. Alright, it does not seem to be the case. That was this light and not that one, which is what that's connected to. So I think I'm safe. Pardon the mess in my room. Maybe I gotta push the knob to turn it on? Flip the switch. Alright, moment of truth. Boop. Uh-oh. Let me try something real quick. I am an idiot, once again. You know, this is a very humbling experience. So I need to basically put a setting for this as to whether or not it's 115 or 230 volts. And it's set to 230 volts. I do not live in a place where 230 volts is the standard socket output. So I'm just going to switch it to 115. Now, pardon me, I'm not very good at operating a camera with one hand while I try and do something else. No, my finger's not small enough. This tends to slide, so let's see if I can do this. You know what? My hand's just blocking the way anyway, so I'll just do it. And alright, so now that should say 115 volts. Can't find it. There it is. So that should say 115 volts, which is excellent because that's what my home uses or has. I don't know what the correct word to use in that situation would be, but anyway, that's good now. And now you guys will witness the first time turning it on with me. So this is a new experience for me, and it's a new experience for you too. I don't know, I'm just like giddy with excitement. I'm like a little kid in a candy shop. So let's just go ahead and flip the switch. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Okay, let's see if we can get a good view of what it's telling me here. So essentially what the manual says is, oh my god, this is so cool. It's a little bit loud, but anyway, essentially what the manual says is I need to level it. So I don't really know how to do that, so I'm just gonna go to the manual and do it. Seems pretty simple, but yeah. Also, you may notice this is like a very small surface for this large printer to be working on. And honestly, I'm gonna pull it a little bit away from the curtains because that's worrying me a little. But you know, as engineering people, we make it work. The feet are all securely planted, barely on the actual surface, so that's good, I suppose. You might actually notice I can even still open this, and there's just the tiniest bit of room for the feet, so it's fine. This'll work in the meantime, and if it doesn't, I'll be very sad. Anyway, I'm gonna level this bad boy. Be back in a few. Actually, before I do anything else, I'm gonna do a little thing for all you ASMR junkies. ASMR, you know? I'm just gonna peel this bad boy off. It's getting real close. Uh-oh. The second I try and do something cool. So yeah, now that's all clean and shining without the nasty plastic on it. Alright, and now I can resume peeling this bad boy off. That looks pretty good. Alright. Enough of my idiocy and shenaniganery. Let's jump right into it. So let's take a look at the leveling process. Why am I showing you this? You don't care. Okay, so the extruder is heating. By the way, they gave me the SD card. Oh, it's in the shadows there. You can barely see it, but it's this thing right here. God, I'm so bad with the camera. I didn't realize. Forget I said that. I'm cutting that out. Anyway, hopefully I'll get better with it. But yeah, the extruder is heating. Once it's done, they gave me the SD card and the adapter, so I moved the G code from my computer to here. So if I'm not an idiot, oh, it's done heating. I should be able to extrude some stuff, and once that's done, I'll clean it all off and start printing. So I need two hands for this too, unfortunately, and it's kind of late. I don't want to be moving my tripod around. As you know, I am a nocturnal human being, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so over here you can see I am making the a little benchy. It's not, little spoiler, it ends up being a failure because I'm dumb, but this is just kind of something I thought I would add because it's something I did and it's my first print, so figured I'd share it with y'all. Whee! Alright, so I'm now here in Cura. I just installed it, so I walked through some stuff. You can select your printer. It's pretty easy stuff. They didn't have the V2, but I'm guessing it's the same thing. I'm guessing the S is the one that's different because they had one for that. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my Benchy. It's not a big boy, but it is a boy. Let's see, standard quality. I mean, I'm not really trying to go for anything fancy. I might need support, but I'm not really sure. Since it's my first print, it's probably better to go overboard than to go underboard. I wanted to keep it small for, what I hope are relatively obvious reasons. Didn't want to use like a whole lot of filament on what could be a disaster, so there's that. What is this? Tell me. Like I said, I don't want to go overboard with filament, so I'm not going to do that. Are there any advanced settings? If it's right here, I can't see it because there's this dumbass recording thing. So I'm just going to pause the recording real quick and we'll see if it's there. Okay, so it's not there, and I realize there's a custom option, so clearly I'm dumb. I'm assuming it knows. I mean, yeah. Material. Do they have like a preset for what material you're using? It's kind of overwhelming. I only have single extrusion, so that makes sense. Alright, if this is recommended, then you know what? It's fine. So let's slice this bad boy and get some G-code. And I'll see y'all in the thingy. So I know you guys didn't get to see it, but I did get it to, I did get the filament through. Turns out it was bent, and that's why I was having so much trouble before, because it wasn't going through the hole it was supposed to. God. Focus. But yeah, I got it to come out. It looks like it discolors a little bit. Uh-oh. It's oozing out a little bit right there. I'm gonna snag that without burning myself. And let's get this started. So I think I can just hit this. Print from TF. And there's a G code right there. Now, I'm going to quickly refer to my stuff before I do any of that, but let's hope it works out. Alrighty. So, after reviewing, it seems all I have to do is select print. So, once again, I'm just going to remove this little bit of extra filament. I'm pretty sure that's not safe, but because look at that, those temperatures. Woo boy, that's hot. But I did not touch it, so hopefully I'm fine. And let's hope this works out. It says the bed's heating again. So I'm gonna, God, focus. Oh, something's happening. This was advertised to be quiet. I'm not sure if this is quiet for a 3D printer, but it's kind of loud. Anyway, I guess I'll start recording again when it starts printing. But, see y'all in a hot sec. Okay, it just started printing. Let's hope that I didn't screw up any of the leveling adjustments, because if I did, that's not good. So this is the moment of truth. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. This could, because like, if I mess up the leveling adjustments, that's a lot of money. I could ruin the printer. Why is it extruding all the way there? What is it doing? Oh, okay. It seems that it uses that to get rid of extraneous filament. Oh my god, it's printing! This is so cool! Oh, this is... Alright, so this is gonna be like a 6-hour print, so don't expect to see all of it, but, I mean, oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? And the print is done. I actually already removed it from the print bed because I forgot I was recording a video for this, like the fool that I am. But needless to say, it wouldn't have been pretty. I actually struggled quite a bit because I think they put some adhesive on the print bed. Here, I'll show you. So this like nasty looking smudgy scratched off stuff right here, I'm pretty sure is adhesive that they apply to the printing bed. The printing bed's made of glass, and I'm guessing it doesn't stick very well to PLA, so they put like a thin glue sticky thing, and that made it really painful to take off. But I mean, the print wasn't screwed up, so that's kind of more important. What happens when all of that's scraped off after multiple prints? Probably not good things. Maybe I'll need to get another printing bed. We will see. For now, this is just a first video, so, and a first print, so, you know, that's that. But needless to say, I am very happy and very excited to have this new tool. As you can see, there's actually some more support around the outside of this kind of tower thing on the words. I'm tired. I'm sorry. On the outside of the boat. So I'm gonna remove that, and we'll take a look at how it looks in its final form. What's up, guys? Back again. Got some sleep, you know, rested up, and tried to remove the supports, and failed to remove the supports, as you can see, or at least mostly failed. And so I wondered if this even needed supports, and if I was an idiot. So you know what I did? I went on the internet and I found out that I'm an idiot. If you can't tell, this is my attempt at this benchy thing I've seen posted a lot in the community when people get new 3D printers. And as it turns out, benchy is short for benchmark and not just a cute name they gave the design. And one of the primary points of the benchmark is to test the 3D printer's capabilities without supports. So that kind of defeated the whole point of that. That's okay though, because I found another benchy file, and yeah, I got lazy, so I just took theirs from Creative Tools. I guess I'll leave a link in the description. And sliced it all up, and it should take way less time to print, so I'll see y'all in like 2 hours when it's done. What's up, guys? I don't know why I keep starting with what's up, because this is all going to be in one video anyway. I'm dumb. But anyway, the benchy print is now done. And this time I am going to actually, record me taking this off so that you guys can see it. I don't know how many of you guys own 3D printers or have experience using them. I certainly don't, but this would have been nice to see before I got 3D printer, I guess. I would have been interested. So yeah, just thought I'd share it. I'm going to try and be a little quiet because it's 4 a.m. and my family is asleep, so yeah, that is a thing. But anyway, let's get right to it. I'm just going to quickly grab the spade because I am an idiot who did not prepare before starting the recording. Anyway, let's get this bad boy off. Should be easier because it printed right around where the, never mind, maybe not. Anyway, let's just peel this off. I don't know why it prints around the thing, but anyway, that's a thing. So, as you can see, it actually adheres like really well. I hope this isn't bad to do, like whacking it a little bit. It needs some convincing to be pried off, though. I'm just weak. Maybe I can just twist it off? Oh, that was easy. So, yeah, maybe don't scratch the build plate. But anyway, that is, that's benchy. I'll bring it to the desk for a closer look so we can take a look at how it turned out. Alright, so we're at my desk, and this is the final print. As you can see, I think it turned out pretty well. I was a little bit worried about these arches here, but here, I'll zoom in. I think it came out pretty clean. I don't really know what to expect, but yeah, I think I properly leveled it and everything, because the base layer is nice and clean. I guess there's no other word I can really use to describe it. Sorry, my hand's blocking. But there's some small areas where it's not exactly perfect. Right over here, where my thumb is. Let's see if I can. This camera is pretty good, but it's also difficult. So there's like a little notch here. I don't know if that's supposed to be here. I didn't take the time to get a really good look at the design that's supposed to be there. Or like, wow, I really can't speak. I'm kind of tired. I didn't really take a lot of time to take a look at the STL and all that, so maybe that's supposed to be there. Probably not. So that's a little imperfection. Aside from that, there's some stray filament right over here that you definitely can't see on camera, probably. And a couple other areas where there's a little bit of stray filament, but nothing you can't, tweeze off. So, oh yeah, actually you can see some of it right here. Wow, this is difficult to do, but yeah, you can see it right there. But yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I think it looks pretty good. So this has been my 3D printing and I guess benchmark experience so far, and I hope it leads to many successful prints in the future. I think it turned out pretty great. Yeah, I'm really happy. So I look forward to many prints in the future with my beloved Creality CR-10. Anyway, I could go on about how happy and excited I am for hours, and you'll all be bored to death, so I'll call it here. Thanks for watching. It's been a real pleasure, and if you don't share with my excitement, at least I hope you you got some sort of entertainment out of this. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys later.